this is not my hair. No, I've never seen my hair this curly after a twist out. I'm just still in shock. I'm literally just still in shock. Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. As you guys have seen in the title, today I'm going to be doing a twist out on my hair, and I have not done a twist out in such a very long time. To be honest, I kind of get a bit nervous whenever I'm supposed to do a twist out because for some reason it never ever turns out the way that I want it to. It never ever comes out perfect, like a really juicy, lovely, luscious twist out. I don't know if it's just my hair or if it's my technique, but for some reason I just never ever get that perfect twist out. But anyways, I'm going to be doing that today. My hair is pretty dry right now, and if you guys are seeing any flakes right now, it's due to the gel that's on my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off by shampooing my hair, and then I'm going to deep condition my hair before I go into the styling. And this video is in collaboration with Happy Curls, Happy Girls. So I'll be trying out their deep condition today, as well as their Beeswax pomade for my twist out. I'm just going to go off camera now and shampoo my hair with my regular shampoo, and then come back and start the deep condition routine for you guys. So I'm starting off with their deep conditioner. So the claims for this coconut milk repair and deep conditioner is that it promotes soft, supple hair with reduced breakage. It's a soft, creamy texture, but it's not runny, as you guys can see. It also promotes healthy scalp, strands, and hair growth. It says it's also perfect for detangling the hair. And the core ingredient in this is coconut milk. And yeah, it's actually the first ingredient on the list. And it also has shea butter, coconut oil, and a few other oils such as olive oil, jojoba oil. It has a very mild scent, but it smells very good. It says to apply a generous amount on your hair, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. The size I have right here is an 8 ounce. So they have 3 different sizes. I think they have a 2 ounce, 4 ounce, and an 8 ounce, and this is the 8 ounce. I can definitely feel how soft my hair is feeling right now while I'm applying the conditioner in it. And as you guys notice, I'm only using my fingers to detangle. It feels really soft, smooth, and hydrated, and it is so easy to detangle. So I'm going to give you guys a bit of info about this brand. So this is a Trinidadian female-owned brand, and it is specifically targeted towards hot, humid temperatures. And they're all about simplifying your hair care routine while improving the overall health of your hair. Their products are made with natural ingredients and contain no mineral oils, no petroleum, no silicones, no sulfates, and so on. They have a range of products from shampoos and conditioners to stylers and sealers, such as the Beeswax pomade, which I'm using to style my hair today, and also conditioning gelée. They also have a repair and maintain line, which consists of leave-in conditioners and growth oils. They also provide mineral-based hair color. So now I'm going to allow my hair to decondition for about 30 minutes. It says 10 to 30 minutes, but I'm going to give it the full 30 minutes and then I'm going to come back. So I just rinsed the conditioner out of my hair, and I'm going to go ahead now and start making some twists. I want to apologize for the lighting because it's now night, so I had to turn on my ring light. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and start making some medium-sized twists in my hair. And I left the product in for about 45 minutes. And yeah, my hair is feeling so smooth, so soft, and so moisturized. It feels really, really hydrated. I have a good amount of elasticity. And I also noticed that it's really detangled. I did not comb through it or anything. I just put the product in like you guys saw me do. I used my fingers to do a mild finger detangling, and that was pretty much all I did. After I took off the serum wrap, I just rinsed out the hair, and this is it. There's no tangle at all. I can actually run my fingers all the way to the hair. So that's something I'm really, really loving right now. So for the Beeswax pomade, it claims to add shine and touchable hold to the hair with superb moisture and sealing properties. It says that it's perfect for twisting, curling, braiding. It encourages a healthy scalp and adds a touch of stretch to thicker, kinkier textures. So they have different types of pomades for different hair textures. So my hair is a bit more medium textured. This is the one for thicker, coarser hair. This is made from pure beeswax, shea butter, castor oil, neem oil, coconut oil, and so on. So it's several different types of oil, but the first ingredient is pure beeswax and the second is shea butter. This also is a very faint scent. It's almost without a scent, but yeah, there's a slight scent. And it also smells good, but it just smells natural, like some shea butter, one of these butter type stuff on the wax. Yeah, that's what it smells like. As you guys can see right here, as I apply the pomade to my hair, how much my curls are already starting to pop before I even start to make the twist. So I think this product would also work well for a wash and go, and it does give you a good amount of hold without making your hair feel hard or stiff. And for best result, you should apply the pomade to wet or damp hair. With a Happy Curls, Happy Girls pomade and all their styles for that matter, you only need one product. So if you're going to be using this beeswax pomade or maybe the flaxseed pomade, whichever one based on your hair type, you'd only need to use this with water. Just this with water, which is absolutely amazing because that cuts the price in more than half that you would normally spend for your hair care products. Based on the consistency of this product, it does have a lot of moisture in it, so it does leave your hair feeling saturated with moisture for quite a long time. So if you're going to do a twist out with this product and say you made the twist tonight, you don't necessarily want to pull out the twist out tomorrow morning because more than likely the product would still be in its moist, damp state. Unless you're going to go in before with a blow dryer or a hooded dryer to just kind of absorb some of the excess moisture from it. But if you don't want to do that, you can just do the twist and leave them in for more than a day at least, and then you should be fine. And this moisture should last you for weeks upon weeks. Now that I'm finished making my twist, I'm going to put this bonnet over my hair and then I go to sleep. So guys, I'm back 2 days later and I'm about to take down my twist right now and show you guys the final results. Wow, this is definition galore. I can't contain it, guys. I really can't. I'm trying to pull these out with a straight face, but I just can't contain it. I've never seen my twist out come out like this in my entire life. Like, oh my gosh, look at these curls. I'm trying to contain myself. The hair is just looking so shiny and beautiful and feeling so soft and smooth. I'm so in love with it. So in love. I'm not gonna go in with a pick today, only because I untwined them so much already. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's looking so good. I really can't believe that this is my hair. Like, I'm so astonished. My hair is uneven, guys. I have some longer strands at the front and I'm really tempted to cut them right now, but I'm gonna just put them underneath for right now. Look at this one. It's annoying me. So gorgeous. And I don't know if you guys realize how elongated the curls look, but they're still tight and well defined. And what I like about it as well is that it have like minimum to no frizz at all, because I untwine mine a lot. If you guys notice, it has so much sheen and it's so moist, soft, and a lot of body. I'm just loving it. So guys, I am so impressed and amazed at how my twist out is looking. I really was at a point where I was giving up on this twist out type of lifestyle, because I've tried it a few times, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that my first ever tutorial on YouTube was a twist out, and it was nothing compared to this. So yeah, I am really amazed, and I'm really excited about how my curls are looking. I'm so in love with this product. I cannot believe that this is my hair. Like, this is magic. Once I hear me say it is magic, I don't know already. I don't need to explain. This is magic, because this is not my hair. No, I've never seen my hair this curly after I twist out. I'm just still in shock. I'm literally just still in shock. So now it's time for my final thoughts on these products. So first off, I want to start off with the conditioner. I absolutely love this conditioner. It really made my hair feel soft, smooth and manageable. I would not say it's a slip queen per se, but it's quite strange at how manageable it made my hair feel. As you guys saw how easy it was for me to detangle my hair, even though the product didn't have a massive amount of slip, but it didn't claim that it did, so that is perfectly fine. It really made my hair feel soft, moisturized and smooth, and I love the fact that even after I rinsed the conditioner out of my hair and I did not have any product on my hair before styling, I was still able to manage my hair quite easily, no tangles whatsoever. It was completely smooth. So this is a really good deep conditioner or hair mask and I absolutely love it. Now for the pomade, you guys can tell, you don't even need to ask. Magic. I just say magic. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, let me be serious now. It is an amazing product. It's definitely a gem. I only wish I'd known about this when I had a lot of single strand knots, because while using the product I realized how moisturized my hair felt, and I see that it's a long-term moisture and not just something that's coating my hair and then it's gonna leave the moment I rinse out my hair. I like that it's not just a styler, it's something that's conditioning your hair while you're styling your hair. And I cannot stress enough how much I appreciate the fact that I only need one product, guys, to do a complete style. Let's have a moment of silence for that. One product give you a bomb twist out like this. Absolutely mind-blowing. So you're not only saving money, which I am all for, you're also saving time. It's just making your entire hair care routine a lot more simplified and effortless. This product is just an overall gem. You can use it for so many different purposes. If you have single strand knots, you definitely need to get this, because this will definitely, it doesn't say it on the bottle, but I'm telling you, Mariam is telling you, if you have single strand knots, you need something like this in your life. It will definitely seal in all the moisture in your hair, and it will definitely help to detangle all those strands. You guys could see while I was detangling my twist out how much the strands were defined and they were just individual. And I think this product will also work well to prevent split ends, breakage. It's just an overall amazing product and I absolutely love it. So this is it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell. That way you will not miss any of my weekly uploads. As always, there's a link in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check out the products. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.